Hello everyone, let's take a look at the Tommaso Terra 100 SPD Mountain Bike Shoes for women. These beautiful teal shoes arrive with pre-installed cleats, so you are ready to ride right away. They work perfectly for rugged mountain trails, gravel adventures, or even your local indoor cycling studio. The durable vegan leather upper features strategic ventilation to keep your feet feeling cool and dry. You will enjoy the stiff fiberglass-infused soles that provide incredible power transfer and total control. A convenient 3-strap Velcro closure ensures a secure, form-fitting feel that hugs your foot comfortably. The reinforced wide toe box and lifetime warranty promise make these cycling shoes a truly fantastic choice. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.